Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, we're diving deep into the world of metaverse sales, and specifically, how to sell real estate in the metaverse. Along with this, we're going to talk about making money in the metaverse, and I've got some exciting insights from a recent research and fact. So, watch this video till end to find out the 5 secret steps to success in metaverse market. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is the metaverse? Well, it's a virtual world where users can interact with each other and digital objects in real time. And with the rise of cryptocurrency and NFTs, it's becoming a hot spot for sales and commerce. Real estate sales in the metaverse are a huge opportunity for businesses to reach new audiences and create unique shopping experiences. With the ability to create custom avatars and virtual storefronts, the possibilities are endless. But how do you sell real estate in the metaverse? According to Metaverse Insider, there are a few key steps to take. Firstly, you need to choose the right metaverse platform that aligns with your business goals and target audience. Once you've chosen your platform, you can start creating your virtual storefront and property listings. This is where you can get creative and showcase your properties in a unique and engaging way. You can even offer virtual tours to give potential buyers a better sense of the property. Pricing is another important aspect of metaverse real estate sales. Unlike traditional real estate, prices in the metaverse can fluctuate greatly depending on supply and demand, and the perceived value of the property. It's important to monitor these trends and adjust your pricing accordingly. Now, let's talk about the benefits of selling real estate in the metaverse. One major advantage is the ability to reach a wider audience. With people from all around the world able to access your virtual storefront, you can expand your customer base beyond your local market. Additionally, the metaverse allows for a more immersive shopping experience. Potential buyers can explore your virtual properties in 3D and get a sense of the space in a way that traditional photos and videos simply can't provide. However, there are also some challenges to consider when it comes to metaverse sales. For one, there's the issue of user adoption. While younger generations are more open to using virtual platforms, older audiences may be hesitant to jump on board. There's also the issue of security and fraud. With the anonymity of the internet and the prevalence of scams, it's important to take precautions to protect yourself and your customers. This includes implementing secure payment methods and verifying the identity of potential buyers. Now, let's take a dive deeper into the future of metaverse sales. According to a research, the metaverse has the potential to revolutionize the sales industry in a number of ways. One key advantage of the metaverse is the ability to create more personalized and engaging sales experiences. With custom avatars and virtual storefronts, you can tailor your sales pitch to each individual customer and create a more memorable shopping experience. Additionally, the metaverse allows for a greater level of transparency in sales. Potential buyers can see every aspect of a product or property before making a purchase, reducing the risk of returns or complaints. However, there are also some potential downsides to metaverse sales. For example, the world population would continue to grow exponentially, putting a huge strain on resources and infrastructure. This could lead to overcrowding, food and water shortages, and environmental degradation. Plus, there's the risk of an unequal distribution of wealth and knowledge, creating an imbalance in society. Now get ready for 5 secret steps to making money in the metaverse. Step 1. The metaverse is the future of money-making. Some people argue that the metaverse is the future of making money, as it provides a new platform for entrepreneurs and creators to monetize their talents and skills. With the rise of virtual worlds and blockchain technology, there are endless opportunities to create and sell digital assets, such as virtual real estate, virtual goods, and even digital experiences. Step 2. Building a brand in the metaverse. One of the keys to making money in the metaverse is building a strong personal brand. This can be done through creating content and engaging with the community, as well as leveraging social media platforms to promote your brand. By establishing yourself as an expert in a specific niche or industry, you can attract a loyal following and monetize your brand through various channels. Step 3. Investing in virtual real estate. Another way to make money in the metaverse is by investing in virtual real estate. Just like in the physical world, virtual real estate is limited, and demand for prime locations can drive up prices. By purchasing virtual land or property, you can potentially sell it later for a profit or rent it out to other users. Step 4. Creating and selling digital products. The metaverse also presents opportunities to create and sell digital products, such as virtual clothing, accessories, and even avatars. By leveraging your creativity and design skills, you can create unique and valuable digital products that users are willing to purchase. Step 5. Monetizing digital experiences. Lastly, the metaverse allows creators to monetize digital experiences, such as hosting virtual events, concerts, and even educational workshops. By charging admission or selling virtual tickets, you can turn your passions into profits and offer something unique and valuable to the community. And that's a wrap on our discussion on making money in the metaverse. With the metaverse poised to become the next big thing in the world of business and finance, there are endless opportunities to monetize your skills and passions. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the metaverse and find your niche today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Share this amazing discovery with your friends and family.